Every face I see is cold as ice. Everything I touch is pain. Ever since I lost imagination, like a stream that flows into the sea, I am lost for all eternity. Ever since you took your love away from me. Sometimes the sound of goodbye is louder than any drum beat. Sometimes the sound of goodbye is louder than any drum beat. Sometimes the sound of goodbye is louder than any drum beat. Sometimes the sound of goodbye is louder than any drum beat.
Hello and welcome to this brand new edition of your favorite show, International Departures, with us, Mÿon and Shane 54. It's about time to get back to the US, not just because the weather is freezing cold here in Hungary. I mean, we're nowhere to compare to Denver, Seattle or Philly, where we will pop up in the next 10 days, but at least we start in Orange County, and after a little detour to sunny Philadelphia, we will spend most of the time in LA working on the now traditional end of the year megamix. As always, we can't promise anything, but of course we're aiming for a higher track count, and believe us, we already gathered a lot of mashup material during the past few months. It's always great fun to do a mix like this, and being able to do it under the blazing California sun makes it even sweeter. The show started with Josh Gabriel and Dave Dresden, who teamed up with Betsy Larkin on Play It Back. On remix duties we find the unmistakably brilliant Sergeant Maur Levy. Then it was the ever lovely Emma Hewitt with a twist. Rewind's Mika's instrumental mix works perfectly with the ancient vocals of The Sound of Goodbye by Armin in this nice new mashup. And here we are with a new track by Mike Coughlin and David Baldini, aka Seven Skies. Visions sounds so good, it's the track of the moment.